Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Situational English Talks. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. It's great to be back with another episode where we help you learn English through real-life conversations.
That's right. Today's episode is going to be really useful for anyone looking for a job or preparing for interviews.
Ooh, sounds important already. What's the topic?
Today, we're talking about how to create and talk about your resume and CV in English.
Okay, Emily, I've always wondered, what's the real difference between a resume and a CV? Aren't they the same thing?
Great question. They're similar, but not exactly the same. A resume is usually short, just 1 or 2 pages, and it gives a quick summary of your skills, experience, and education.
Oh, so it's like a snapshot of who you are professionally.
Exactly.
And the CV?
A CV, or curriculum vitae, is more detailed. It includes your entire career history, research, publications, and achievements, often used in academic or research jobs.
Got it. So a resume is short and targeted while a CV is long and detailed.
Perfectly said.
So what should I include in my resume?
Let's break it down. A professional resume usually has these sections. Number 1, personal information. Number 2, objective or summary. Number 3, education. Number 4, work experience. Number 5, skills. And number 6, references.
That's a good structure. Let's go through them one by one.
Sure. Personal information, your full name, phone number, email, and sometimes your LinkedIn profile.
And never include unnecessary details like religion, age, or marital status, right?
Exactly. Keep it professional. Objective or summary, a short sentence about your career goal. For example, to work in a challenging environment where I can use my skills and grow professionally.
Nice. What about education?
List your degrees in reverse order, most recent first.
Like MBA in Marketing, University of London, 2022.
Exactly.
Now comes the most important part, work experience.
Right. Always mention your job title, company name, and years of service. For example, Sales Executive, ABC Corporation, 2019 to 2023. Then, add bullet points describing your achievements. For example, managed a team of 10 sales representatives, increased monthly sales by 25%, developed new client relationships across 3 regions.
I love how bullet points make it easy to read.
Yes. Avoid long paragraphs. Keep it short and action-oriented. Use verbs like managed, developed, led, created, improved, organized.
What about skills?
That section highlights your strengths. For example, communication skills, team leadership, Microsoft Office, problem solving, time management.
Now, what are some mistakes people usually make?
Oh, many. Let's go through a few. Spelling and grammar errors. Always proofread. Too long. Keep it short, 1 to 2 pages. Unprofessional email addresses. Never use something like cuteboy123@gmail.com.
Yeah, that doesn't sound very professional.
Exactly. Always use a professional one like paul.james@gmail.com. No keywords. Many companies use software to scan resumes, so use industry keywords that match the job post.
So if I'm sending my resume by email, what should I say?
Here are some polite and professional phrases. Please find attached my resume for your review. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for considering my application. I am confident that my skills make me a strong candidate for this position.
These sound really formal and polite, perfect for job emails.
Exactly. Professional tone always leaves a good impression. Let's do a short role play.
Sure. I'll be the job seeker, and you can be the hiring manager.
Perfect. Go ahead.
Hello, Emily. I'm applying for the sales manager position. Please find attached my resume. I have over 5 years of experience in sales and marketing, and I'm very excited about this opportunity.
Thank you, Paul. I've received your resume. Can you tell me a bit about your most recent job?
Of course, I was leading a team of 12 sales executives and managed to increase company revenue by 30% in 1 year.
That's impressive. We'll review your resume and get back to you soon.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your time.
Before we finish, here are a few extra tips. Use a clean, simple design. Don't overuse colors or fancy fonts. Save your file as PDF before sending. Update your resume every few months. Tailor it for each job. Don't send the same resume to every company.
That's solid advice.
And remember, your resume is your first impression. Make it count.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode.
We hope this helped you understand how to create and talk about your resume and CV confidently in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Situational English Talks.
And stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll explore English conversations at a job interview.
That's going to be exciting.
Until then, keep learning and keep practicing.
Bye for now.